If you are someone who has been dealing with acne, if you're having mood swings, anxiety, depression, you might be having food sensitivities and not even know it. Now, why should you care? Well, because you might be having issues that you could actually do something about. Issues like skin irritation, bloated belly, constipation, mood swings. All of those things could be due to your food sensitivities. So in this video, I'm going to go over how to spot a food sensitivity and what you can do to stop the reaction. Hi there, my name is Anna, and if you like this video, please do me a favor, give me a thumbs up and also click subscribe. I'll let you know the next time a video is posted. So I worked for a while as a director of nutrition at a wellness center, and we gave these tests to people. I will tell you that across the board, just about everybody had sensitivity to dairy and gluten. Now, when I say food sensitivity, I am not talking about a food allergy. That's when your throat closes up, or your skin becomes immediately red, or your tongue swells up. That's something completely different, and you do need to go to a doctor for that. What I am talking about is a food sensitivity. It's something way more subtle to diagnose and very difficult to figure out. But I'm going to show you how. So let's get right down to it. Step number one, we need to discover what the sensitivities are. A good way to do that is to journal, but not just any journal. Most food journals have you write down the time of day and the food that you're eating, but they're missing the most important component, which is the reaction you're having. So in this last column, you want to note down any time you feel hungry, or you have a craving, or you have a dip in energy, when you have pimples, if you've slept poorly, or you're feeling depressed. All of those issues are symptoms. There's nothing wrong with you. They are a reaction to something, and we want to figure out what that is. We don't want to close our eyes to it all. We don't want to medicate all of it. We don't want to ignore all of it. We actually want to tune into it and figure out if there are any connections. Number two, test. So in looking at your journal, we want to get an overall view of what's going on. So what I did was go around and start seeing when issues came up more than 2 or 3 times in the week. You might have a lot of issues going on, and that's okay. Just pick one thing that you're noticing. For example, an acne flare-up or a low energy dip. After you've gathered a few instances of this symptom arising, I want you to look over to the other columns and see what foods you're eating. See if there's any triggers here. See if there are any matches or correlations. Most of the time, the same food is going to give you the same kind of issue. You can do this over and over again with each and every symptom. And later on, you might even be able to tackle 2 or 3 symptoms at a time. But my suggestion, especially in the beginning, is go 1 symptom at a time. So let's say you have a symptom like eczema, and it's especially itchy in the mid-morning after you've had breakfast. And let's say in the morning you're having a certain kind of breakfast bar. You're gonna want to test that. Or let's say that you're noticing across your journal that there are times around 3 p.m. where you have an energy dip, or almost like a feeling of depression. And the only thing that you're wanting to do is have some sugar, maybe in the form of chocolate, something like that. What you want to do is look at the food that you had last eaten. Most of the time, that food happens to be your lunch. We need to look at that lunch and see if that is the issue. So now what we're going to do is test that food. For about 3 to 4 days, you want to take out either that breakfast bar or that turkey sandwich you're having at lunch and replace it with something that's quite different with as little of the same components as possible. So instead of the breakfast bar, you try a smoothie. Instead of the turkey sandwich, you do chili. Being sure to keep notes. You want to do that for about 3 days. Do not go near those foods. After about 3 days, introduce those foods and see if you have the same reaction. Is that symptom happening again? Is it not? And you want to play with that. So now you're on to something. Number 3, realign. Now you see a symptom, you've pinpointed what's giving it to you, and now you can actually make a choice whether you want to keep eating that food or not. And either way, it's fine, but you'll be able to pinpoint exactly why that symptom is happening. It's not going to be some random thing. That eczema is also signaling that there are other issues going on, that food isn't ideal for your body, and you can decide whether you're okay with it or not. So there you have it. My 3-step approach to discovering food sensitivities. You're going to discover, test, and realign. And hopefully these steps will help you have more energy, more vibrant skin, and feeling amazing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and also do me a favor and click subscribe. I'll notify you each and every time a new video comes up. And for now, mwah, ciao.